There are four key stages in any method of sexual reproduction. The first one is the production of gametes, which are the sperm and the ova. After these are produced, the male gamete, the sperm, is transferred to the female gamete, the ovum, and this happens by sexual contact. So we produce the gametes, we transfer the sperm to the ovum. Once this happens, once the sperm is now able to come in contact with the ovum, fertilization must occur, which means the sperm has to fuse with the ovum and they have to become one. Once they become one, we call this the zygote. So the zygote is formed, and now it has to develop into a new individual. So first of all, we will talk about the production of gametes. Gamete formation takes place in the genital glands, which are different between male and female. In the male reproductive system, the genital gland is the testis, and it produces the male gamete, which is the sperm. So the testes, the plural of testis, which are the male sex organs, produce the sperm. And this is what a sperm cell looks like. The testes produce millions and millions of sperm cells. So this is in the male. In the female, this is the female reproductive system, we have two ovaries. The ovaries are the glands that will produce the female gametes, which are the ova. The singular is ovum. So an ovum will be produced by an ovary. And it's not like the male genital glands, because in the male we form millions of sperm, and in the female one ovary produces one ovum. Both sperm cells and ova are produced when cells inside these organs that are the ovaries and the testes divide. These cells do not divide by mitosis but by meiosis. So the production of sperm and ova happens inside the testes and the ovaries, and this happens by division of the cells that are found inside the genital glands. This division is not by mitosis, this division is by meiosis, which we will talk about later. Mitosis, as we said, happens in asexual reproduction.